Hey there, today we are talking about a recent picture shared by Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş that's been making waves on social media. Let's find out why this Terrace photo has everyone talking. Yağmur and Barış are known for their stylish and daring photos, and their latest snap did not disappoint. The couple shared a bold picture from a terrace during sunset with the city's skyline in the background. Yagmur looked stunning in a chic outfit while Barry matched her vibe with his effortless, cool style. Their pose was bold yet classy, showcasing their strong chemistry and confidence as a couple. Fans could not get enough of the picture, praising their fashion sense and the picturesque setting. Some even called it couple goals and expressed admiration for how they always manage to look so effortlessly perfect together. This bold Dallas photo proves once again that Yagmur and Barris are not just a beautiful couple but also trendsetters in the world of fashion and photography. What do you think of Yagmur and Barris' stunning terrace picture? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you next time.